Hi guys, welcome to Tune Basics, the series that teaches you how to play the basics. Today we'll be looking at that famous American folk song, Oh My Darling Clementine, and how to play it on a diatonic harmonica.
So here we have a harmonica. This harmonica is in the key of C, but don't worry if yours is not in the key of C, because the numbers are the important part. In this lesson, if you see this red arrow pointing this way, it means blow into the harmonica. But if you see this blue arrow, it means breathe in through the harmonica. Got it?
Here's what Oh My Darling looks like when it's written down in the key of C. And here is how it sounds. C, 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 G, E, 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 C, C, E, G, G, F, E, D, D, E, F, F, E, D, E, C, C, E, D, G, B, D, C. Let's take a closer look at phrase 1. Blow into 4 3 times. Blow into 3. Blow into 5 3 times. And blow into 4. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 2, blow into 4. Blow into 5. Blow into 6 twice. Breathe in through 5. Blow into 5. And breathe in through 4. And practice this until you end up with something. For phrase 3, breathe in through 4. Blow into 5. Breathe in through 5 twice. Blow into 5. Breathe in through 4. Blow into 5. And blow into 4. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 4, blow into 4. Blow into 5. Breathe in through 4. Blow into 3. Breathe in through 3. Breathe in through 4. And blow into 4. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now try putting all the phrases together. And there you have it.
Hi guys, just wanted to say a big thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also don't forget I've got a store on Amazon. There's a link in the description below. If you're looking for a new instrument, that would be a good place to start. Also I've got links in the description to lots of other things like my Facebook account, my Instagram, my Twitter. I'd love to catch up with you guys there. So until next time, Stay tuned.